next one is I think that the danger of public sector, it's easy to get complacent
Oh yeah.
and have your skills atrophy
Mhm.
unless you are finding other avenues to use your skills. Yeah, that was one of the things. But for me, what I did was switch it up in GRC as a whole. And when I was in the public sector, paid by the US government, they man, they were pushing us. So I was doing network engineering, I was doing help desk, I was
Yeah.
doing all kinds of stuff. I was doing risk management framework, I was doing everything in there. But I do know what you mean because I know some of my like GS people, they would be stuck in just doing one thing for a really long time and their skills, whatever skills that they had, would definitely atrophy on that one.
I guess mine was a little different, especially when I was at DOD at the state. Is they had so many new projects and things they were doing. It's
Right.
like half the people didn't want to work, so I could just pick up anything I wanted. So I want to learn that. They're like, okay, because at the government the projects are so big, only certain percentage is not going to be working. Certain percentage was trying to retire, so I felt like I could almost grab anything I wanted, man. If I wanted, I was doing Oracle, I was doing Java, I was doing Apache and Tomcat, man. I was doing a little everything because, like I said, they were doing these new things, and a lot of people were setting their ways, and they didn't want to pick up anything new. So I was just grabbing it all, man. And they were like, "Yeah, young guy, if you want to do my work," I was like, "Okay." So I just got it, man. So they
That's
let me
how you
get
do
it.
it.
So I